Which cable needle is best? Well, there are several different kinds you can use, and I'm going to show you the one I prefer, but you will want to and should try them out to see which one works for you. Let me set a couple aside first. This one looks like a fish hook, and that's pretty handy because if you're moving a stitch, and I'm just going to move this one stitch onto the needle here, you can let it just hang in front, and it holds the stitch very securely so that when you get to knit it, it's definitely there. The thing I don't like about it is that you then have to sort of figure out, well, how am I going to hold it here or there, and it just is not as smooth and easy as I would like it to be personally. I'll show you another kind of cable needle. That's this one here with the bump in the side, kind of like one of those speed bumps in the road. This also is quite secure. There is the worry sometimes that it would slip out, and I should say too, you should use a cable needle that is a little bit thinner than the actual working needles you're using. I personally don't like this because it doesn't feel as secure as the one I like to use. And again, when I'm holding it to knit off it, this bump sort of gets in the way or somehow moves the stitch around, so it's not exactly where I want it to be, which is fine if you're still knitting slowly on an Aran. I like this. It's a straight needle. It's just a plain double-pointed straight needle. I would use a shorter one normally, but this one for me holds the stitch really well too, and it's easy for me to hold in my hand. It's just parallel with the other needle, and it stays put. It doesn't wobble or flap around. So those are three main kinds of cable needles that I really recommend that you try out and see which one works for you, because cabling can be really fun if you've got the right tools or the ones that work for you. Enjoy!